Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name's Tashawn. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I decided to create these super cute and easy DIY Valentine's Day cards. And so to see how I created these, just keep on watching. So items you'll need for this super easy DIY include 4 large pocket cards, and I have 2 smaller size pocket cards. The engraved wood Valentine gift tag stamp set available at rubberstamps.com, and I will have details available in the description box if you are interested in these, as well as the Remarks ink pads in the colors scarlet red, silver metallic, gold metallic, and bubblegum pink. A glue stick, a Sharpie ultra fine point pen, and some washi tape. So first I'm going to go ahead and apply my glue to the back of the smaller pocket cards, and then just place those right on top of the larger pocket cards. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab the gift tag rubber stamp, and I'm just using the bubblegum pink ink pad and just applying the ink all over the stamp, and then I'm just going to line that up and place it where I want it on my paper. And I'm just cleaning off the stamp using a baby wipe. And then just blotting off the excess ink on a paper towel. And here I'm just adding some more detail to the first stamp that I used and adding a to from stamp to that, and same thing for my second Valentine. And I'm just going to use some of the other stamps in this set to just add some more decoration and cuteness to my Valentines. Just adding a sweet note on each Valentine for my daughters. this cute heart would add another pop of color to the front of my Valentine, and just adding a few more details and stampings onto the front of these Valentines. And as a final detail, I'm just going to add a strip of washi to just one side of each Valentine, just to add another pop of color to these Valentines. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at @thedistressedmom_, and have a happy Valentine's Day.